in memory of the unknown individuals interred in this area during the 19th century on land that was part of the old Athens cemetery. In 2015, remains were discovered during the construction of the Baldwin Hall addition, which is the building behind us. The vast majority of the remains identified were those of men, women, and children of African descent, most likely slaves or former slaves. Upon guidance of the state of Georgia, they were reinterred at the Oconee Hill Cemetery. The University of Georgia recognizes the contributions of these and other enslaved individuals and honors their legacy. May they continue to rest in peace.